So I decided to make the Mosaic Numbers with balloons for my daughter's sweet 16th birthday. And I'm glad I did. It was pretty easy to do. I did get foam boards from the Dollar Tree. You need about 4 foam boards per each number if you want them to be 5 feet tall, and that's what I chose. So I'm used a template from Etsy that I bought for $3 to print out the numbers and add them to the foam board, tape them down, and then I cut them out with an X-Acto knife. Then after I cut out the number, I also used the boards to cut out 6-inch pieces to do the border of the letters. So you saw me do the 1, and here's the 6. Here I'm using hot glue to attach the borders onto each number. So you would just cut them out to size as you go along and add the hot glue. I also used some white masking tape as well, as you saw me put the boards together, and then also for all the corners to keep them intact. Then for the edges that are curved, I scored the foam board, so you could get it to curve. And here's the finished piece of them together. I added my balloons. I didn't stuff them. It didn't stuff how I really wanted it to. I wanted it to look better, but it did come out good in the end, and my daughter liked it, so that's what counts.